I found a Shopify store that's getting more traffic every single month, and honestly, it should not be working this well. But Google, for some reason, is pushing it hard. So let me dive into exactly what's going on. The store is called Kate Minimalist. It's just a general store, honestly. And if we take a look at the traffic distribution, we can see they're just consistently getting more and more traffic. And it's almost entirely from the US. So they're almost at 100,000 monthly visitors, probably beyond that now, which is really, really good. And as you see, this is one of their main product pages right now. This is actually how I found this store. I looked up ear red light therapy because my sourcing agent, Team Drop, they told me about this product and I checked it out and I was like, wait, that's actually pretty smart. I've never seen anything like that. So I looked it up and lo and behold, I found only one person actually in this sponsored result, and it was this. But here's the crazy part, right? Look at how simple this Shopify store is. This is not even good. So this is just a very simple general store with a very simple theme, and they sell literally everything that you can imagine. So they have every product under the sun, right? Even TikTok Shop products and things that, of course, are copyright infringements and things like that. I would not recommend doing that, but what they're doing here is actually genius and I would recommend. So let me show you actually some of these numbers, because 123 is what they're charging for this product. But as I just showed you, I can source this to my store, and I'm actually going to do that in this video for you so you know exactly how you can do it too. So stay tuned, make sure you stay till the end and give the video a like. That always helps. But as you see, we can get it for $12.94 from our sourcing agent, and then we can ship it for $6. So we don't need to order inventory. We can just ship it as it is. It comes in a nice box, as you see, and then it's $19.07. So let me go use my calculator here. It's a ROAS calculator, return on ad spend calculator. This is a free tool that you can use. It's inside shopilab.ai. So you just need to make an account for free. You don't need to put in your credit card or anything. Like, you don't need to sign up for a free trial. This is just free. So anyways, we can put in our cost of goods here. Where did it go? It was right here. So our cost of goods is $19.07, and they sell this for $123.18. That's crazy. $123.18. So their break-even return on ad spend is 1.23. So that means even if they get a 1.23 ROAS on their ads, which means they're spending $1 and getting back $1.23, they're breaking even. So if they get a 2 ROAS, right? Let's say they're running at a 2 ROAS, return on ad spend, we can put a 2 here, right? That means they're at 31% margin with a measly 2 ROAS, right? Like 2 ROAS isn't even that crazy, especially at this level. Of course, once you reach, insane levels like 1 million a month, 2 ROAS is really, really good. But, at this level where it's maybe like 200,000 a month or 300,000 a month, a 2 ROAS is not that crazy. So 31% profit margins, that's amazing. Yeah, I think that's like insane that people are paying that, but at the same time, it makes sense, right? Because this is something that people have never seen before, but people do know that red light therapy is a big, big thing going on right now that actually does work for a variety of cases. So that's kind of how you can basically launch your own business in this. So let me show you how I would do this, because I do this actually. In fact, I have an accelerator community. So ShopiLab, it's a free platform. It's a learning and resource center. But inside it, I do have an accelerator as well, where I'm basically just mentoring people, showing them a lot of the things that I do and talk about, and things that I'm learning as well from clients and from just my collective knowledge, I guess. And I'm recruiting some of the talented members to launch stores through our resources. I have an agency called Akemi, and we have a lot of privileges when it comes to Meta and even on Shopify. I'm a Shopify commerce coach, and I have multiple development accounts and things like that. So it's a pretty cool place to join if you are interested. But again, I'm just trying to actually launch more of these stores this year, because I can only do so much as one person. Of course, I already have many teams doing this, but I want more, because it's just such an incredible opportunity in my opinion right now. So what I'm doing is basically, I'll take this, right? I'll just literally list it to my store just as it is. And we'll go here to my store, and then I'll just say, red light therapy device, but I'll just name this Estier because that's what this store is called. And then we'll just say what is it? This is a red, no, this is wellness. So I like to do just like a wellness category. I'll put myself here, wellness again. Variant pricing. So we only have one. We'll fix this later, but yeah, $59.99. I think that's a pretty reasonable price, but we'll go $69.99 because let me show you here. That would leave us with, let's see, $69.99, 1.43x ROAS. That's pretty good. Let's see what happens when we do 79. So 1.37. I mean, yeah, that's obviously better, but I'm actually fine with this. I think this is a pretty reasonable price, especially if we can set up a bundle like the one I have right here, right? We can set up a bundle offer like this where people will buy more in order to get more benefits, more savings, and free products. That's why it's actually a good idea to price products not super expensive if you have a nice bundle, because then people will buy more, so your average order value is just going to be higher. Therefore, you don't need to be super profitable on the single unit order, if that makes sense. Hopefully that's not too confusing, but I'll do $69.99. Images and videos. These are not great images at all. I would not use these. I would make my own, and I'll show you how to do that too. But these guys are using just default supplier images, so that's why I was very excited to make this video actually when I found this, because it breaks so many limiting beliefs that people try to instill upon you, where, you know, they tell you you need this perfect website, you need this perfect ad. These guys are doing nothing of that sort, right? I mean, they're literally just putting in a supplier listing here with a crazy price, no offer, terrible title, bad description. I mean, I guess the description is simple enough for people to understand, so, you know, it's fine. They got related products here. Like, how is this converting, right? How is this converting? It's because they're capturing this high intent traffic, right? They're capturing the ear red light therapy traffic. So I also got a keyword research tool here inside Shopify Lab in my toolkit, so I can see exactly how many people are looking this keyword up, right? So let me just show you. 70 people, so not many people at all actually. So I'm one of the 70 people this month that looked up this keyword. So of course, yeah, maybe they're not printing a ton necessarily from this product, but imagine having, you know, 100 different products. That's a lot of people for a variety of different niches. But of course, if we look up just red light therapy, right, you'll see something pretty insane. 550,000 people are looking into red light therapy every month. And let's just look up ear therapy. I'm just curious, honestly. Ear therapy. Let's see what that brings. 1.6K. So yeah, that makes probably no sense as a keyword, but that's still a reasonable amount of people, right? Like ear therapy, I would definitely target that keyword for this product, right? And maybe they're doing that. Let me see. I'm going to actually check ear therapy. No. So the only sponsored result is this V-Line ear seed kit. Like, what the? This is just crazy. There is such an arbitrage opportunity going on right now on Google. It's definitely something I want to talk about more and more as I go, as I keep making these videos with you guys and building more stores. You know, we run a lot of Google ads at my agency. In fact, that's one of our best performing services. Some of our clients are getting like a 9x return on ad spend with us, and we actually just charge a flat fee too. So we don't charge a percentage of ad spend or anything like that right now, at least for this service. We're just trying to get people value and results. But yeah, Google is definitely becoming more and more powerful, just as Meta is, which is something I've been talking about in my videos lately. There's a lot of doom and gloom in the world, and there's always people trying to scare you, but the reality is actually that the opportunity is growing everywhere. That's my perspective, at least. I believe that things are just getting bigger, like people who are, you know, more into quality experiences, that's getting bigger. People who don't care about quality and just want, you know, more of slop or whatever, that's also growing. I actually think everything is just growing, which is pretty insane. So that means there's opportunity everywhere. Now let me show you here super quick. I also developed this software through my agency team, so we got a pretty cracked theme. If you want to be a part of our team, you can DM me on Instagram and, you know, just figure out how you can help us grow the business, right? That's all I'm really recruiting for. People that are talented, people that can help us grow, make tools that are just like insane, just like DraftPi. DraftPi is literally insane, and this was just made by one of our developers. He's a G. But let me show you this. So this might be a pretty difficult one to do. I might just honestly use some like this one, and I'll maybe just go here and I'll just say, I'll just paste that. And I'll use this other prompt that I was using for this product that I actually really think is cool. I think this is a really cool product and I really want to test it. I wish I had more time, but I don't. So let me show you here. I'll say make me a premium product hero image for my product, first image attached, as my first image for my Shopify store that has a little bubble. Okay, so I don't need to do that. I'll just say first image attached, and I'll say get rid of the box in the bottom right corner. Well, let's just see what happens. Okay, I'm just gonna show you this. I don't need to get crazy with it. I don't want to waste your time. So I'll just generate 3 at a time here, which is pretty cool. You can do that with DraftPy. And I'll just go generate. And I'll show you kind of how this turns out in just a second here. And just so you can see, actually, now that I imported that product to my store via TeamDrop, which you can access as well for free, actually. So this is super cool. You can use TeamDrop for absolutely free. Just go to Shopilab sourcing. So again, if you make a Shopilab.ai account, you get a lot of perks for just being a free member. Like you get all these tools. You can access our Discord. I'm always active in the Discord. In fact, I've been really loving actually the Discord activity lately in our free community that you can join by just having a Shopify account. It's really fun. We talk about a lot of really cool topics like e-commerce, of course, investing. We talk about philosophy, and who knows what we'll talk about next. So definitely join that. But you can use TeamDrop and source any product by going to Shopilab sourcing and then hitting on TeamDrop. You can also just go to TeamDrop, but if you do it this way, you're going to get additional perks from their team because we have a very tight-knit partnership right now. Honestly, I want to invest in TeamDrop. If I had like $10 million just to invest, which I don't right now, maybe I will in the future and maybe in the not so distant future, hopefully. But if I did, I would honestly consider investing in TeamDrop. It's just such a cool platform. I really am a huge believer in it right now. But yeah, you can see some of the results here. So here's one. It just basically took that same image, you see, but made it way better. This one's like grainy and weird. This one is nice and quality. This one actually looks super good. And then here's another one that's like pretty cool and eye-catching. That's awesome. And then lastly, this one. So this one is kind of like a premium setting. Kind of random. I mean, like I said, I didn't really prompt anything crazy. I probably would ask actually ChatGPT to give me a good prompt too. That could be interesting. So how you can do that is I can go here. Let me just take a picture of the product. Give me a prompt for premium product images I can add to my Shopify store product listing for these. So I'll say, give me an image prompt for premium product images I can add to my Shopify store product listing for this red light therapy for ears product. I want 3 images that are high converting. Very simple. And I'm putting this into the Breakthrough Advertising GPT. So the Breakthrough Advertising GPT is just a custom GPT trained chat that is actually trained on Breakthrough Advertising. This was also developed by our team at Akemi. So shout out to the Akemi team. I'm telling you guys, we're building just like a world-class team of mercenaries, pretty much like a pirate crew, just doing cool stuff. That's really what we're doing. But anyways, we can see here, good. Let's do this the right way because product images don't sell by looking nice. They sell by crystallizing desire visually before a single word is read. So in breakthrough advertising terms, your image must do 3 things instantly: identify the problem and desire, project the mechanism, and promise relief without effort. So let's just skip a little bit here to save time, and we'll go to the prompt, and we will go back to DraftPy here, and we'll put in that prompt, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste this image in here too for reference, because that's what I did for the Breakthrough Advertising GPT. Actually, it's just loading the image right there for some reason. And then we'll click, I'll generate 3, and I'll just do 1K actually, because we don't need more than that. And I'll do 1-to-1 ratio, because square images tend to look the best on Shopify. So boom, let's just see what it generates. I didn't even read the prompt actually. So ultra premium product photography or red light therapy ear device. Hyper realistic, medical grade aesthetic. White background with subtle soft shadows. The earbuds are shown close up, angled slightly towards the viewer, emitting a soft, focused, red therapeutic light beam. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this turned out kind of weird, but it is kind of cool actually as well. I like this one. This one is really good because this kind of just explains exactly what it is. I like this better than this one. So I'm actually happy about that. Let's try this second prompt and see how that one looks. So cinematic lifestyle image of a calm woman. Okay, let's just put that in and we will see what that generates. So You're seeing this in real time. I actually am probably going to chop this up slightly because I don't want to show sensitive information, even though I'm pretty transparent about things for the most part. I'm still private about some things, of course. But let's see. Ooh, there we go. That's really nice. So I like that, right? So we have this as the first image. I'm actually going to save that. I might actually run this. But again, I don't even have time, man. So anyways, and then we got this one. We got this one. We got this one. I like this one the best, actually. So I'm going to go with that one. And then let's look at the last prompt here. Boom. And then we'll go here and we'll just boom that. We got 3 again. So let's see what happens. And yeah, I mean, this is kind of your job nowadays as an e-com builder on Shopify, right? You're just making product images. You're finding products that are really good, doing some solid research, and that's really about it. So obviously there's a lot of other components too, like customer service, but that's actually kind of it in running ads. In running ads, just again, kind of just entails you hopping on here on DraftPi and just making static ads, unless you want to make videos, which is a little bit more difficult, but it's not that bad. And then boom, this is the last image, super premium. I love it. This looks incredible, right? This looks so good. And we can launch something so much better than this competitor and even cheaper at a cheaper price. And we can make it a crazy offer, like something like this, where we give away a free product, which again, is actually super easy to do because you can have everything sourced from one place or shipped from one place, which is Team Drop, right? So you can have free products in there if you want. And I do like to do that. I think it's kind of clean. It's just an easy way to add more value, which is ultimately what you want to do. You know, your business just wants to add value to people. A lot of times it's perceived value, but there's but try to add real value too, right? So I could actually even add like a skincare routine ebook to people that order 3, right? So now it's like a whole kit. So yeah, a lot of sauce in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I just got inspired by this shitty Shopify store. I'm just kidding. If you're running this store, honestly, props to you. I think this is cool. I respect people who are just finding success doing their own thing, even if it's not conventional, right? That's what I'm trying to do as well. I'm trying to find success in ways that are unconventional maybe to most people, but that feel really natural to me. You may not understand that, but if you do understand that, you know, props to you. And even if you don't understand that, I hope you do one day, or I hope that you just do what you want and find success doing that. But hopefully you found this video valuable. By the way, I did leave in the description all of the resources that I used here for free, and I will list some that are not free as well in case you're interested in that. But that's about it. Peace out.